Hello, my voice is audible? Whether my voice is audible to you? कोणाला येत नाही का ऐकायला?
Yes, sir, audible.
This much time you're taking. Mahesh, कुठे आहे? CR?
Yes, sir, audible.
4 times I asked, then you are replying. And okay, actually what we have decided, you should send after 3-4 days once it is over, you have to send a screenshot. But very few students, means only 10 students have sent a screenshot of that. What about other people's? बाकीच्यांना काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? Hello. Roll number 11 have sent 18, Swati, 25, then Chauhan, Vaishnavi, she has sent. Only 5 to 6 students have sent it. What about others? बाकीच्यांना काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? Remaining students, including CR Mahesh, what is problem? Deshmukh?
Sir, I completed. I will send.
Yeah, that is the other part. You are completed, not completed. That thing will ask afterwards. But what was the task assigned on the last lecture? On the I think Wednesday lecture in morning, and you have said that we'll send it now. If this is the first situation for the first thing, what will be the situation at when I come at the end of the syllabus? Correct, na? Mahesh?
Yes, sir, yes.
Being class representative, if you're not sending, what I can ask from other students? Shall I ask one by one? I'll waste my 5 10. Okay, doing this process doesn't make any sense to me also, okay? But what I'm asking you, actually I don't want to make the trouble to you also. But thing is that what things are going in the class or lecture, are you writing or not? That is the funda behind that only. Okay, means what things we are taking in the lecture, if you're writing, then we will understand what we have seen in the last lecture, and we have some kind of notes. Otherwise, linking will not be there, and it is quite difficult to understand what was taken in the first lecture after the 10-15 lectures are over. Correct. So my intention is very, very clear that what is going in the class, you should take it when I'm saying that, please take it, note down that part. And if I'm sending means what, it is feedback. Otherwise, if the physical classes will be there, I'm going to check randomly notebooks, no issue in that. But because of online things are there, you need to send the screenshot of that. Arti Bandkar, have you sent it? I'll ask, go with the roll number 1 is not there. Roll number 2. Arti Bandkar.
Yes, sir.
Have you sent the screenshot?
No, sir.
Why? What is problem?
Send. I will send, sir.
Once I'm asking here, why not send? I don't want to answer that, sir. I will send it. Already I define that when I ask for that, you say send it. 3-4 days are there. Wednesday was there, means what? After Wednesday's lecture, Thursday, and today is a Friday. So near about 72 hours time is there in that between lecture and that. Correct, na? Bandgar.
Yes, sir.
Then Shruti Bhinge.
Yes, sir.
का पाठवलं नाही मी?
Sorry, sir.
This is the situation. I don't ask answer that sorry, sir, I will send, I forget. Correct. When the task is given, homework is given, just you have to take this mobile phone and you have to send some screenshot of the pages by putting the roll number.
Next time असं नाही होणार, sir.
Then Deshmukh, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi Deshmukh.
They have forgotten. Today I will send.
Means reason is ready for all the students. I forgot. I will send today. Sorry, sir.
No, sir. Actually, I forgotten. I can send today, sir.
Okay. Janvi Devdekar.
Yes, sir. I forgot to took screenshot.
Okay. I should remind it na after every lecture. Then I'll put the message on the group. Please send a screenshot like this. Is it okay?
No, sir. No, sir.
Already I define
my
that my
mistake, I
intention is
forgot it.
not that you should make I should make the trouble to you people by taking the photo. Just in between once in week I on 2-3 times that screenshot of that. Okay, this is for what? Going the smooth conduction of the classes. That is the only reason behind this. Mahesh ji, is it okay? CR.
Yes, sir.
So hereafter you should take care of that. I should not listen the reason. Sorry, sir, I forgot. I will send. Krishna, Koli,
Yes, sir.
correct ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
तुम्ही पाठवलं नाहीये. तुम्हाला वेळ नसेल, भेटला नसेल, कुठेतरी बिझी असाल. कृष्णा, what was
Yes,
the
sir.
reason? का पाठवलं नाही तुम्ही?
सर लिहिलं नाही सर मी अजून पाठवतो सर.
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लेम. मग इंटेन्शन माझं हेच आहे, घ्यायचं सगळ्याकडून. का लिहिलं नाही तुम्ही लिहून? व्हॉट इज प्रॉब्लेम? हॅव यू परचेस द नोटबुक?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not writing the things what is happening in the class? See, you are mature now, you should not take the time of the other persons, students. Correct na? Once task is given, you are attending the class, you should write it the things. Sudarshan Survase. Sudarshan Survase is there?
Yes.
What about you? What about you? Have you sent the screenshot?
आज करतो सर.
None of from the boy students have this send a screenshot. None of the students from boys. If you observe that, Sunil Karande, Gopal, roll number Sumida Gaikwad, 30 onwards, 30 to 50 means near about 21 students are there, and they failed to send the screenshot. See the boy student, what is sincerity? So I should not listen. Tomorrow lecture is there at 11, I think, on Saturday. Before that lecture, I want all the screenshot from all the students by putting the roll number properly. Then only I'll allow in the next lecture that class. Okay, Krishna, is irrespective of that, you are made in the notebook or not, doesn't matter to me. Or you want to make the complaint to the HOD, you can make it. I am asking like this, no issue in that. Okay. Krishna.
Okay, fine, sir.
So make the notebook, be sincere, write the things properly. Chala. So what is in last lecture? Have you remembered the things?
Yes, sir. Difference between microprocessor and microcontroller.
Yes, difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller. Who will tell me difference, basic difference fast? Chalo, will tell me difference fast. Okay, major difference. What is major difference? The microprocessor and microcontroller. So what are you looking in the diagram? That is difference. Krishna सांगतो Krishna Koli.
Yes, sir.
चलो fast. Good.
सर मायक्रोप्रोसेसर मध्ये काउंटर वगैरे असलं काय नसतंय.
Okay. Whereas in the controller?
तिथं म्हणजे हे जास्त असतं, काउंटर असतंय, परत बाकीचे आणखीन पण डिव्हाइस टायमर असतंय.
Good. Means it has on chip other peripherals. Correct, na? Like
Yes,
the
sir,
RAM, ROM, timer counters, IO ports, watchdog timer. Some few names you should have in the mind. Okay, tip of tongue. When external asking simple question, what is the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller? you should able to tell that part. Okay, that is too easy. Why that option is not coming? I'll limit all. Okay, what is the difference? So these devices are not there in that device means what? We need to interface the external devices to the microprocessor. Whereas in the controller, we doesn't require to interface these devices. Okay, so as these devices is not there on chip, if we talk about I want to send the data or read the data from the devices, we need more time because external devices are there and that data is coming on the bus. So it requires the more time in case of the microprocessor, but in the controller, it requires the less time. Okay, so this difference we have seen on the yesterday's last lecture. Okay, this part, all this thing. Any problem in that? Anybody, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to the next part of this. So next is called as difference is there, CISC and the RISC. Okay, so as we said that you can write a full form also. CISC means what? Complex instruction set computers. So the microprocessor specifically, it has the large number of instructions are there. So when the things are large number of instruction, that becomes complex one. So while executing, we require to add more instruction for that. Okay, so that it becomes complex one. And second category is called as a RISC. RISC is what? Reduce instruction set computing. This is the full form. First difference is same, that full form of the title. Okay, so first is CISC is what? Complex instruction set computers or computing also it is called. And here is reduce instruction set computers. So in case of 8051 PIC controller, ARM processors, ARM controllers, it has the very specific instructions and that will be useful for the executing. It requires more, less time. Also, the type of decoder used, we'll see one by one also. Type of decoder is what? It has the parallel execution. That is called as a pipelining execution. But in case of CISC, it doesn't have. So one by one execution will be there for the instructions. Okay, so this is the first difference, full form, complex instruction set computers. Second is reduced instruction set computers. Okay, second difference is that instruction takes multiple cycles for the execution. It requires the more machine cycles for the execution of the instruction. But in case of a RISC, it requires the 1 or 2 cycles for the execution. So normally we have the crystal oscillator connected. From the crystal we are obtaining the machine cycle, and from the machine cycle we have the instruction cycle. So in case of RISC, we require only 1 to 2 cycles, machine cycles for the execution. But in case of RISC system, more than 2 machine cycles are required, depends upon the type of instruction. So we don't want to go specific here, but I can say generalized case we can take it here. In case of CISC, it has the more number of addressing modes. And what is addressing modes? So it defines the how to write the operands and operands in the instruction set. So what is operands and all this thing we'll see here also. I'll take inserting box here, so we'll understand that. Insert text. Where is the text? Here, text box. Okay, so if I written move, so move R1 comma R2. So what is the meaning of this? This instruction belongs to the which type of addressing? Means what? How this? So when you define this move is called as a mnemonics. Okay, this capital letter move MOV, it is called as mnemonics, and this is one operand 2. Okay, so what type of operands we are using? Based on that category, we have the addressing modes. So what is called as this? how the instruction operands are written, that signifies by the addressing modes. Normally we can sometimes address to particular people and you can speak there. Okay, so means what? I'm addressing to the now TYA class. So directly I'm through the Zoom meeting. So that is I can say online is the type of addressing mode for the we people. Same way, control understands the different addressing modes. How the data is written. Which data? Operand 1, operand 2. How they are written based on we have the classification. That is called as a addressing mode. Clear now? Kala Sravanna, what is addressing mode? Hello. Addressing mode Kala Sravanna. In instruction.
Can you repeat?
I'll repeat. In instruction, this is one instruction that is called as a data processing instruction. That comes under the data processing addressing mode. Okay. So this instruction what signifies? Move. Move means what? Going from one place to the other place is meaning of the move. So what is the operand coming here first? Because we have not seen the instruction set, it is quite little bit difficult to understand. But still I'm explaining that part. So move means what? Going from one place to the other place, meaning of the move. That is called as a mnemonics, which explains the action taken by the instruction. That is meaning of move. It has move, add, subtract, division, multiply. Such mnemonics will be there in that case. So here I'm taking move means what? Moving from one place to the other place, meaning is that. So first operand is there. Normally this instruction have the syntax like this. I will tell move OP1, comma OP2. What is OP2, OP1? OP1 is called as a operand 1, OP2 is operand 2. So for this example, I am taken here what? Move R1, comma R2. R1 is what? A register addressing mode. Here register I am taking here. Operand 2 also register. So this instruction goes to the type of a register addressing. If second instruction I written like this, move R1, comma hash 01. So that is called as I'm taking data here, this goes to the direct or indirect type of addressing mode. So my intention was I am telling that, repeating here, what is meaning of addressing mode? How the operands are defined here. Based on that, I have the classification of the instructions. Means operand 1, operand 2, how they are defined in terms of register they are defined, that becomes a register addressing. If they have the memory location or the memories or data, based on that it has the data processing addressing or direct addressing, indirect addressing. That we're looking next. So intention is here what me just explain what is meaning of addressing mode. So in case of sys, we need the more addressing modes. Just remember this thing. And what is addressing mode? How the operands are written in the instruction, that defines by the addressing mode. Clear? First difference, second difference, sys kind of risk.
Yes, sir.
Just remember it requires more
Hello?
addressing mode.
Sir, I have a doubt.
You can ask.
Yeah, the addressing, whether we are using the move instruction, that is predefined instruction, right?
Yes.
In the program, in the software itself. So is it
In the software,
telling
when
us-
we design the controller, we have defined some set of instructions that only can use
Okay.
it. We cannot use that rather than that instructions.
Okay, so these are some specific instructions. So is it meaning of like moving from 1 to 2, or just
Its meaning is that moving the data from register R2 to the R1. Means I'll show here
from
only.
last-
Meaning is
Okay.
what? This is called as source. This is called as the
Huh?
sorry. This is called as source. This is the destination. So how it goes?
Okay.
From the source data, means R2 data, register data goes in the R1.
Okay, sir. Okay.
After execution, R1 becomes the contents of the R2 registers. Clear?
So whatever is in R2 comes to the
That
R1.
goes in the
and then
R1.
process
That
it.
goes in the R1. Very correct.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is
Your
Janvi
name.
Devdikar. Janvi Devdikar.
Janvi. Okay, good. So I was explaining about the second difference, third difference. Now we'll go with the fourth one. instructions executed by the microprogram. Means what was instruction writing in that, it is executed by the microprogram, means it has internally decoder, instruction register decoder is there, that is executed by the instruction in case of CISC kind of controllers or microprocessor. But in case of instruction executed by the hardware, means it has the specific decoder in that architecture. Once we'll go the architecture of the 8051, we'll understand that it has the instruction set decoders in that architecture. Then it has only one bank, register bank is only one in case of CISC controllers. But in case of RISC, we have the more or multiple number of register banks. That based on the PSW structure in the 8051, we have the 4 register banks, or register bank 0, 1, 2, 3. And how to access that, we have the particular SFRs for that. So that remember only it has the more number of register banks, and